In this video, I'm going to tell you about Moderna and their relationship with Corden Pharma and the deal that they just made. Even more importantly though, I'm going to tell you why this is important for Moderna's stock price. And we're going to be starting right now. Hey, I'm Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If you want to learn how to grow your wealth through investing and trading in the stock market, make sure you start now by subscribing and hitting that bell so you don't miss a thing. Alright, boys and girls, so we're going to be talking about Moderna, okay, real fast, and then we're going to get into this company. So, Moderna, 10 out of the 11 analysts that are covering it, give it a buy rating, okay? That's big, that's nice, that's cool. Alright, Moderna's shares rose 13% today. Why? Let me tell you why. It was after the Corden Pharma news came out where they made a statement saying that they've extended their contract, okay? The two companies, Moderna and Corden Pharma, or whatever the heck, Corden Pharma, sorry. I guess I'm an idiot. Not really though. Anyhow, back to the plan. So, who the heck is Corden Pharma? Is this your first time hearing about them? Maybe your second? I don't know. So let me tell you who the heck they are. Not only let me tell you who they are, but also let me tell you why they are important to Moderna, okay? So to answer the first part of that question, Corden Pharma is the global pharmaceutical service and manufacturing platform of International Chemical Investors Group, which the acronym for it is ICIG. Remember that, or don't. And it's a full-service contract development and manufacturing organization, CDMO if you want to know the acronym on that, for the production of APIs, drug products, and associated packaging services. Through a growing network of focused investments across Europe and the US, organized under technology platforms, Corden Pharma experts translate complex processes, ideas, and projects at any stage of development into high-value products. Okay, so in short, this company provides manufacturing services and a whole lot more. Okay, it also offers proprietary process technologies for cost-effective manufacturing and robust CMC dossier by reducing the number of chemical steps, increasing purity, and decreasing raw material costs. So basically, Moderna is going to be saving themselves some money. All right, yes. Oh, I'm so excited. And guess what? They also offer a fully integrated service from APIs to finished dosage and pharmaceutical services, okay? Multiple manufacturing locations across Europe and the USA, offering flexibility of supply. Now that's good. That's darn good. Yes. So basically, an extension of this contract is an indicator that Moderna is making major progress in its program to develop a vaccine for SARS-CoV-2, which has been codenamed MRNA-1273, boys and girls. So Moderna had a contract with the company already, okay? They've had a contract with them, and the news today is that the two companies made modifications to the previous contract. It has now been extended and will enable the company to immediately manufacture large-scale volumes of the latter's lipid excipients to be used in the making of mRNA-1273. So this is huge, man. Do you understand what this is saying? Large scale. So remember, all these biotechs so far, there's been a concern over production, over manufacturing, over, how are we going to get all these vaccines processed? Well, Moderna's taking steps towards that. Obviously, they're in the lead right now. And they're taking the steps necessary to ensure that if their vaccine is successful, they'll be able to mass produce it and get it out of there, get it shipped out all over the world, okay, everywhere. Cure everybody, or whatever. Vaccinate everybody. Same thing or not? I don't know. Leave that in the comments below. Let me know, because I don't know. All right, so now we can wrap this up. So basically, this helps Moderna meet its demand, which will continue to increase over the coming months, obviously, because they're getting closer to done. Moderna plans to initiate a phase 3 study in July, so that's good. And the company is a strong candidate in producing a vaccine to help battle this pandemic, okay? They're definitely one of the favorites. So keep that in mind. That's all I have for you guys today in this video. I'm glad I could, keep it short for you guys. It's almost the weekend. I want you guys to enjoy yourselves, go have fun, but most importantly, make sure you smash that like button or caress it gently if you found this information useful, so that I can know that you like it. Otherwise, I don't know whether I need to be, making videos like this anymore if you guys aren't liking them, because you're not telling me that you like them, okay? Secondly, if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If not, why the hell not? Make sure you subscribe right now. And I'm only saying that because I care about you, and it's for your own good, okay? When you subscribe to this channel, you're gonna get content that has a punch and a kick to it. Content that's gonna teach you something, you're gonna learn, you're gonna be wiser, smarter, cooler, sexier, baby. Yes, I promise you that. But what you need to do right now is take a look at your screen and you should see the suggested videos. Yes, I may have picked one of them, I may not have. I don't know, maybe the Google algorithm did. Either way, click on them, watch them, never stop learning, never stop watching. I'm making these videos for you. I want you to have the knowledge, baby. I do. I want you to be smarter, cooler, and smarter, and whatever else you want for yourself. But right now, it's a sad time, and you guys know why it's a sad time, because I have to go. But don't be sad, don't you cry, because this isn't farewell and this is not goodbye. This is my way of telling you that I will see you in the next video.